I need to talk about this real quick. I want to jump right in because of national pride. Well, this is like a perfect movie, like the timing of the big independence celebration and the Jamaican women's soccer team, football team. Yeah. Creating history at the Women's FIFA World Cup this year. I say big up to the ladies. They are doing their thing. They were the first Caribbean country to ever qualify.
Correct.
And now they're the first to ever score the goal and won the game, I believe, if all three. And they're through to the second round as well. So congratulations, ladies.
Jamaicans reach further when we have that, like you said, that national love, that Caribbean unity that takes us so far. And it's so good to see it come from, women. Because, women, we rule the world. Like Beyonce say,
Yes, because, they've been facing some struggles as they fight for equality and respect at the World Cup.
Nothing good comes without a little bit of a struggle.
Well, that's why you see they're on the way to greatness because they're doing the thing. The obstacles have been many and few.
Welcome to Island Heat. This is your hostess, Lady Lalabella. Want to get more trivia and new music from the hottest Caribbean artists based in Atlanta? Go subscribe to the Island Heat radio show on YouTube and click Get Notifications for exclusive content. Tap in and keep it locked.